Hello friends, so once again welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video we are talking about a custom ROM. So this is a Siberia OS that's a custom ROM running on our Asus Max Pro M1 device. The ROM is purely based on AOSP, that is an Android open source project. Now thanks to our Siberian team for such a great development that is currently running on our Asus Max Pro M1 devices also. The ROM is also available for the OnePlus devices, Redmi devices, Poco devices and many more. So this time this is Android 10 but still good for games and performance with a good stability above its previous build. Now we have a Magisk Manager that allows us to root this ROM with a perfect patch that also help to run Viper Android Audio on this ROM for a great sound quality adjustment. Now we also have a individual Siberian settings to play with a lot of customizations that are available, like we have a system tweaks like a general animation button, gaming mode, volume rocker options. In a notification setting we have a notification light settings like a ambient music, ticker, edge lightning and many more to choose from, like a real-time charging information also available on the lock screen. We also have a status bar customization that takes the status bar like a battery icon, 4G icon, 40 icon and many more. Now we have a network traffic indicator that also available with a font size to adjust here. We also have a lock screen customization like a clock style and adjustment. Gen parts also available that also manage the direct sound quality and many more. So this is a great ROM and a great development. So this is a quick and short video about this Siberia OS and custom ROM. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.